As I get older, I'm slowly realizing that I want to mature my style a little bit more, and this isn't necessarily a whole wardrobe revamp, but I am always looking for ways to grow my style a little bit, and I feel like the recent brand that I've found that I kind of unexpectedly stumbled across, they've definitely taken me by surprise when it comes to the variety of styles they offer. Now, I always hear people talk about Abercrombie, which is obviously quite known in the fashion world, but I don't hear many mentions of Hollister, which is their sister company. They are very similar in their styles, but they do offer some variety throughout their pieces, and I feel like Hollister could be added to that list of your go-to brands. Now, a lot of the stuff I got is actually bottoms and pants, and I am kind of filming this at a terrible time. It's actually fall now, and some of these pieces are definitely aimed more towards summer, but we will go over them nonetheless, and I'll give you guys just a quick little overview of all the stuff that I have picked up in the last couple of months here. So the first pair of pants I have is actually a linen blend jogger. Now, these are a slim straight fit simply because I feel like the baggy trend just isn't going to stay around. So getting something that is that nice middle ground between skinny and baggy, getting something that's nice slim straight fit, you definitely can't go wrong. And I feel like just building up your wardrobe with stuff that's not even just trendy, but just stuff that's everyday wearable stuff, it's definitely a little bit better angle that I think I can take, because again, a slim straight fit is just never going to go to style. Linen is just so easy to wear. They do have a zipper pocket on the one side there. Nonetheless, they are very good quality. I got these ones in a size small, and I also have a size extra small that I only got because I wanted them to be a little bit more cropped, but the small is definitely a better fit for me personally. These ones are a size extra small. Now, I actually had these in a small, and then I ended up wanting to size down again just to get a little bit more of a cropped fit. These are just a nice sort of almost like a light brown, basically the same style fit, just maybe a little bit tighter than the cream pair. And my waist size is like a 29 to 30 typically. And all the other pants I got, I believe, are a 30 waist. So extra small can fit a 30 waist, but it will be obviously a little bit more snug. But as you can see, they do have some nice stretch. And you really just can't go wrong with a pair of linens, especially in summer. Just super wearable, and they go with a ton of different stuff. You can dress them up, dress them down. Very, very versatile pair of pants. So on top of the linen pants, I also got two pairs of linen shorts, sort of like heather gray wash, I guess. And then I have this just nice basic black pair. I realized I didn't have any black shorts that were just sort of like not even necessarily dressy, but just a little bit more casual. The only black shorts I had was like nylon and mesh. So I was looking for something that could kind of fill that void between the whole streetwear and like casual vibes. So I got these ones in, again, a size small. They hit above the knee, so they are going to be a little bit short. I believe it's a 5-inch inseam, same material as the pants, same pockets. They have the zipper pocket, one pocket on the back, and then obviously your two front pockets. Again, I am a size 30 waist, and they fit me just perfect. These are the exact same, everything, same size, same length, just different colorway. So the last pair of shorts I got are actually a denim short or a jort or a jean short, whatever you want to call them. These ones I got in a 29 waist. They do have some stretch, and these ones sit just above the knee. I think the inseam is like a 7-inch. I could be wrong. Just like a nice sort of light blue wash. Nothing too crazy about them. Quality is definitely nice. There's no like loose threads or anything anywhere. I've been wearing these ones for probably 2 to 3 months pretty much endlessly, and yeah, overall just a really, really nice pair of jorts if you are looking for some. Next up, we have a pair of blue denim. Now, this is a loose fit. They are quite baggy on me just because I have skinny legs, but this is realistically as baggy as I would go with my pants. I wouldn't go anymore because then I just feel like I'm being drowned in my pants. So these ones are 30 waist. They fit pretty well in the length. It's just that I probably could have went with a 29 waist and I would have been better off, which funnily enough too, I actually tried these ones on in store and still got the wrong size, so yay me. Again, really nice quality. These ones also have some nice stretch as well, so if you do size down one size, you can pretty much be assured that they will fit because they do have some stretch. Definitely some really decent quality denim for what you're paying for. And then this next pair, I actually got them custom hemmed. I apologize, there's cat hair all over them if you can see, but I did end up getting these custom hemmed, which I think I'll probably end up stitch ripping and then just kind of resetting them back to like the normal length that they were at. But they're just a pair of black chinos. They have that sort of signature zipper pocket there. 2 pockets on the back, 2 in the front. And I also got these ones in a 28 length to kind of just preemptively have them cropped as opposed to taking them to a tailor to get them hemmed. And before they were hemmed, they basically sit right on top of my shoes, so I got them hemmed about an inch or so. They do sit a little bit high now, so I'll probably revert that, just put it back to like the normal length. Quality wise, really nice, like a slim fit, like I said. Not looking for something that's super streetwear-esque, just something that's very wearable. These ones definitely hit the nail on the head with that in mind. All right, so I have 2 more pairs of pants to show. This first one is washed brown Carpenter pant. I actually got the ones from Abercrombie and they're just atrocious. Like, they fit me terribly. They're not the same size. The ones from Abercrombie were a 28 waist, 30 length, and these ones are a 30-30. And these ones are just like significantly better, and they're also like half the cost. And the only real difference between these and like a generic pair of denim is that you have these 2 smaller pockets on the right leg there, and then on the left side you have like this hammer handle, whatever the hell you want to call it, which no one ever uses. The other thing I will say about their denim is that when you wash them, I would give them a wash before washing them with anything else, because the ink did run on this pair and the next pair that I'm going to show you guys, and you will stain your clothes. I found that out the hard way. It's just a heads up, if you guys do end up getting some pants from them, definitely wash them before you wear them. And then the last pair of pants I got are a Camel cargo. These ones are a 29 waist, 30 length, and these ones, the waist does fit me perfect, although I will say I feel like I almost could have went with like a 32 length if that was an option. I'm really not too sure, but they do seem to fit a little bit shorter than I would personally like. Other than the generic pockets on the front and the back, they have big old cargo pockets on both the legs, which make the pants feel a little bit uncomfortable, I'll be honest, but other than that, I mean, they are really, really nice quality. If you have like a shit ton of stuff you got to put in your pockets, then you have like 300 pockets to choose from, so it'd be super easy to lose some stuff in them for sure. Also have that nice real tree sort of camel look going on, which is always quite a popular choice. So we're coming down to the last few pieces here. Now this one is just literally just a sleeveless tee. I was actually looking on the website and they had it on clearance for like, I think it was like $6 or $7 or something, so super cheap. Online they only had like XL or something in stock, and then in store they happened to have a extra small, so I got an extra small in this. Small would have been better, but I mean, for like $5 or $6 it definitely gets the job done, and it has like a nice sort of black washed look to it, almost like a vintage wash. Just happened to kind of stumble upon it, and again, Abercrombie has like the exact same thing on the website, but I think it's like 20 or $25 or something like that. So I mean, $5 versus $20, you be the judge of that. The last piece that I got is this button-up summery type shirt, just like a camp collar shirt. Floral design, as you can see, nice little red and brown and tan colors going on. Pretty much goes with any of the pants that I got and showed in today's video, which is always great. Sort of like a linen material, like it's quite thin. I typically wear just like a white beater, like a tank top underneath, and that pretty much gets the job done. But yeah, very versatile and goes with a lot of stuff. Dress it up, dress it down. Just a really, really nice overall piece for summer. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I will have links to some of the pieces down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. Again, it's not sponsored. This is just easier for you guys to get to the specific pieces that I've bought, along with my Instagram. That will be linked in the top of the description. I have been posting about these items on my Instagram for a couple of weeks now, so you can kind of go back and see how I've styled them and stuff, and get a little bit better view of, you know, different ways to style them. If you guys did enjoy today's video, definitely drop a like. That obviously helps me out. Let me know what you thought of the pieces in today's video, and if you guys have been trying to grow your style a little bit more, let me know what brands you have been sort of gravitating towards, and I'll definitely consider checking them out, and maybe I'll show them on my channel as well. That's gonna do it for today's video. I will see you guys very soon.